Hello everyone, welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com. Today on this quick video, we are going to see how to solve photo stuck on macOS Catalina with quick and easy tips. So let's get started. Before going to the solution, let's see a few reasons for this issue. It may be due to unsupported files in your library and that may cause this process slow. It slows the process due to the large storage of the photos. Let's move on to the solutions. Solution 1. Restart Photos app. If the photos got stuck, try to force quit the app. To do that, close the Photos app and open the activity monitor to force quit Photo Analysis and Photo Library. Wait for a few minutes and reopen the Photos app. If this does not work for you, try for the next one. Solution 2. Restart your Mac. Close the Photos app. Tap on Apple logo and tap on Restart. After the restart, reopen the Photos app. Next, solution 3. Delete unwanted videos. This problem may be due to the unsupported videos on your Photos library. So deleting that may help you to fix this problem. To do that, open the video library on your Mac, then find unsupported files and delete them. Next, solution 4. Free up Mac storage. Sometimes it may be the reason for the photo stuck on your Mac. Check the available space on your Mac by clicking on the Apple logo and tap on About this Mac and tap on Storage. If it's almost full, clean your Mac by deleting the unwanted photos and videos. I hope these fixes will help you to solve this issue. If you have any other suggestions or doubts, let me know through the comments. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.